guys, we are live. December 26, 2025. We're not going to look at our NQ charts. We are looking here. We are going to use our 14.3 divergence on the 5-minute chart just to wait for better entries. Still not a super long, still not a continuation momentum market, but the metals are hot. We are gonna trade the SNDK trade if it does give it to us. December has not been a great month, but we will continue on. We will roll with the punches. Staying alive is our number one goal. So let's see if we can stay positive on these. But we are looking at SNDK. Okay, let's see. Or no lag. If SNDK fulfills its full ATR before we even have a chance to get in here, it's a oh well. ho 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 ho. Oof, JPM just ripping. Absolute ripping. Looks like a divergence play again for SNDK. Half ATR in the first 5 minutes. Oh. Something like Monday is what SNDK is looking like it wants to do, so I need to wait for the lower low and the higher low for the divergence, and we can take a long position. Just half ATR at the moment. trade that I like to see. Hmm. Hmm. Nope, I'm not trading this. This is not part of the pattern that I was looking for. Oh, that's very bearish. Let's see if we can do some Tesla shorts. Tesla looks like Wednesday's low of day looks pretty interesting. Definitely, 803 will be something for me to think about. 803. Just waiting for this to fully rotate as well. Okay, let's see. 400 would be a pretty good number. 480. Let's see. Yeah, 400 would be pretty good to let us know that it's pretty weak. Otherwise, it's gonna be a flat trade. Well, we can hold SNDK. Okay. Doing a little bit of fulfilling. That's also good. Pretty close. EOS might get into that position on Monday, but definitely don't want to be too early for that. Okay. Shake 100. Okay, guys, I have the Tesla trade on. We have our stop loss slightly above kind of the open. Just riding Tesla down. Ooh, this looks pretty good. Tesla definitely looks like it wants to puke a little bit. Just a little bit. Just gotta make sure I stay in the trade. As long as it's below the opening price. Yep. We can take that. Ooh, Cypher is getting ripped up. Cypher does have a $1 ATR. Might look for a bounce trade here if it does give it to us. So does it give us any bounce ideas? Not really. Oh, this one was definitely a bounce idea right here, but that's happened so later on. Stay patient. The way Tesla's price action is looking like, I hunch that it is still gonna go lower. It's still on the downtrend, still is respecting the 9 EMA. 9 EMA. Can it just rip back up and just take me out? Yeah, it could. It could. But that's not what I'm seeing now, so I think it has a little bit more vomit to go, and then it'll come back up. And then it will come back up. So what the Qs did? Nope, the Qs were just ripping. Tesla is independent. Yeah, 480 looks like the number to hit. Can I go low of day of yesterday? I could, but let's just take this win first. Let's take this win first. Kind of getting starved of wins here. Yep, no 182. 182 is gonna get ripped. What about 181? Yeah, that does not look great. So many 480s. It's like a magnet. can it just rip right back up? Sure. Just respecting the 9 EMA. This is the live market pulse. Perfect. Just respecting it again. Does it respect it here? It does, but there's more respect here. Alright, Tesla is moving. I definitely think 480 is the next target. 480 is definitely the next target. And then we'll decide whether or not we want to go back in short. Go back in long. 480 is the next target. Okay, we have 481. It's gonna get ripped up. Yep, just like that, ripped up. Okay, give us 480. Yep. Give it to us. to us. No, that does not look right. That does not look right. Ooh, good. Just looking to see how well it obeyed the non-EMA. Oh, very good. Very, very good. Let's go down. Let's go down. This still has way more room to go. Uh, uh, okay, Sci-Fi with the 1 ATR move. Let's see if it's going to give us a divergence. Uh-oh, on our first candle. That did not give us a lower low. Oh, yes. Push. Push. Then the morning is still young, so definitely think he wants to hit 480, but it's teasing us a little bit. Push. Push. That's messed up. You guys saw that, right? Hit the low, and it didn't give it to us. So what can we do here? I guess we'll just keep it. We'll keep it, and then hopefully it can fill. There we go. There we go. Just like that. And we're done for today. Unless we see a 5-minute divergence from our stock selection here. So SNDK. Tesla's in that mix as well. Cypher's in the mix. SILJ is in the mix. If we can see a divergence, I'm not opposed to it. Piano keys as well for JPM. This thing has been on the rip. What a beautiful win. I'll come back at around 10:30. Yeah, just gotta make sure the 5-minute chart makes sense. Doesn't pay me to be early. Could I have went to 276? That would have been ultra greedy, but I know 480 was a definite take profit target. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Tesla doing that thing. $477 was definitely a stretch. Could I have went $479? I could have. It's still obeying the 9 EMA. Still obeying. Very, very obedient. Now 477. All the whole numbers are pretty significant. 478 is going to get breached. We are still waiting, and I don't like to trade V-shaped recovery. I really don't. Any volume? Nope, the volume didn't even say. I guess it's a break of the 9 EMA first signal if you want to take an aggressive entry. Straight up. Oh yes, Cypher is looking prime for some hurt. Wipe out the lows here and then rip right back up. It looks like it wants to hurt people. Definitely looks like it wants to hurt people. 70 cents? Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's hurt. This wants to hurt some people. Hopefully not me, but on top of the range. Top of the range. Cypher. I need one. Do I have those buy stops? Oh yeah. Broadcom doing that thing. Broadcom doing that thing. B's gonna come around eventually, but Broadcom doing that thing. Okay, definitely looks poised to hurt people. Be patient for this one. SNDK. Wonder if there's something. Is there something? 2 closes above 1, 2. It might just be 2 closes above. That's a tough read. I don't like to trade that. Because it's not meaningful. It's kind of like when you have your high of day and it just reverses to the downside. How can you tell? Short answer is you really can't unless there is a prior high of day or a prior resistance or support level. But if it's not, I just don't like to trade those. It just doesn't make sense. Yeah, like stuff like this where it just reverses. You're just calling from previous. Yeah, you're just extrapolating which numbers kind of resonate with you. Okay, the first green candle maybe. Oh, JPM. Oh, piano keys. I love piano keys, JPM. Ortiz JPM. Cypher needs to do that thing. Ooh. Yeah, this was a really telling. Yeah, the only kind of V-shape recovery, if I'm not following divergence, is with volume and with how it looks on the bars. That's the only other. That's really the only other thing. Yeah, piano keys looks pretty good. I definitely want to have it on the lows for the risk reward to make sense. It still hasn't filled me, which sucks. You saw my order. You guys saw my order. No, no, no. Oh yeah, give it to us. Oh, perfect. Perfect. That's Lita. Good. Hurt a lot of people and then rip. 220. You know what? Because this is not going the way it expected it to, let's have it at the low of the day. I'm buying it. I'm putting my buy order where my stop loss would be, and then let's take a look at Tesla. Man, what a good stock. What a good stock. Literally obeying the 9 EMA. No closes above. No closes. Once it broke, it broke. And then I used the low of day here. This candle, 942. I entered 9:42, so I entered here actually. I entered 1 minute later. Man, what a move! I caught a good amount of it. I caught it up to 480. Nope, can't buy it. I trade momentum in stochastics and I look at volume. Cypher looks like it's primed to hurt somebody. In the past, I would have rushed in, but there is absolutely no need to rush into anything. Absolutely no reason. Microsoft doing that thing, bouncing it. So we're stuck. We have the 200 SMA right here for Microsoft. Definitely on my long-term buy list. Ooh, Nvidia. How do you pronounce that stuff? Nvidia. Like, I can call it whatever. The money printer. Oh, nice. Wow. Nice. Can't get in. Tides have not changed. Cannot get in. 476. Nice. It's 475. Gonna be another key level. Man, these bots, man. Gonna be preparing for that. I have lots of trading ideas, so just waiting for my back testing software once I get around to it. Cypher. Ooh, okay. Come on, come down. Wipe out the lows. Cause some hurt. Oh yeah. Back up we go. Back up we go. Yeah. Definitely interested in just having it at that 219 spot, but I really need it to kind of wick. I'd rather not be early. Rather not. I had oh man, a year and a half of having early entries, getting crushed, feeling all that emotional baggage and turmoil and second guessing and just kind of knowing or not knowing, just kind of thinking about whether or not I'll make it. Oh yeah, good. Hmm. That's not the piano keys I'm looking for. Typically, it should look like this right here. The piano keys, and then it rips. But this is piano keying and stalling. So I'm gonna cancel my order here. Cancel my order there, and we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for Cypher to see if it wants to give us something, just give us anything, basically. Oh yes, Max Payne, yes. Just scanning to see which stocks want to give us a nice opportunity. Oh, HUT looks pretty good too. Oh, light. Okay, this one already gave us a quick one. Can't get in there. Akalo, Palantir. Oh man, GLD ripping. And you, okay. So just Cypher and HUT kind of as a to see if it wants to give us a divergence play. Cypher and HUT. Yeah, these two are primed for just kind of max pain right now. We can still give it more time. I'm in no rush. Oh, here we go. I'm in no rush. Let's actually set some alerts so that we can get pinged on it. Double alerts there so we can either see it on our phone in case we're looking at something else, because we're still looking for Tesla to either after it hurts everyone and to just rip right back up. We're looking for that. Looking for the V shape for Tesla. So we're having four stocks. We have JPM as well. Right. So these two candles looked fishy. Piano keys usually allows us to rip back up, so we need another set of piano keys. Yeah. No. That did not make any sense. Yeah, we need another set of piano keys. Oh man, where I have day here. Doesn't make any sense. We just gotta wait for another set of piano keys for JPM, but for Tesla, yes, keep hurting. Yes. Oh yeah, keep blushing. Max pain. Oh man, what a beautiful move by Tesla. Am I mad that it moved $6 more away from me? Oh, not even. I very well know that any move, risk on the table, it doesn't have to go in the direction I want it to go. It just have to be consistent. Make sure I don't take profits early, which is one of my cardinal sins. Just keep it rolling. Yes, HUT and Cypher is about to inflict some max pain on people. Don't know which one wants to happen first, but looks like I think HUT wants to inflict some max pain on people. I don't remember the last time it did that though. Does it diverge? I guess $1. Yeah, typically it doesn't move like that though. Oh man, that's weak. Yeah. If it's not showing a clear divergence like this, right? So something like this, can't trade it. And it doesn't even rebound as sharply. Oh man, then it's probably just at 51. Okay, let's see. Yeah, JPM did not look great. Okay, Tesla, here we go. Here we go. Oh, perfect. I was looking just at that. Okay, let's see if it can finally close above the 9 EMA. Will the trade be over? Will the algos push it back up? Give it to me, give it to you, give it to me. Oh yeah, this marks a change in Tesla. Unfortunately, I do have to go, but oh yes, here's the start. Here's the start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Multiple closes over. Does it ever retest? No, it does not. Not retest. Well, I do want to be on the left side of the V, so I'm just gonna wait for it to do what it needs to do. Yes, yes. Okay, this is the Tesla rebound rip. I'm gonna go 50 shares, 150, risk about a third of my profits. Yeah, just gonna let it happen. This is the change in momentum that I was waiting for. How high does this want to go? Okay, for 1045. Oh man, it's doing this thing. Tesla's doing that thing. I want to be patient and see if I can get it at 477. Yeah, why not? Let's see if I can get at 477. We can risk low of day. And then we can get scalp it back up to 482 or 484, whatever number it is. Yeah, 484. Yeah, let's get in here. Let's see, I want 484. Or should I go 483? Yeah, 484, and then we'll risk it to low of day. 473.8. 473.8, okay. Pretty good. Alright. We have what we're willing to risk. We're risking half our profits to take this on the way back up. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Hope this has been informative for you guys. HUT still has not hit. Oh man, nope. Another trade. Yeah, this is another trade as well. So, thank you for tuning in, guys. Stay smart, trade safe. Catch you guys on Monday.